Tragedy is putting more emphasis on keeping healthcare workers safe. Governor Kemp has approved a new law to protect Georgia hospitals. 11 Alive's Jerry Carnes joining us in studio. Jerry, can you talk us through how this law would better protect medical staff and then when the changes will start?
Well, the new law takes effect July 1st. It was in the works even before this week's shooting at that Midtown medical office. It's called the Safer Hospitals Act. It offers protection and stiffer penalties for anyone who threatens the lives of healthcare workers. Their job is to heal. Sometimes that job is disrupted by people who have a desire to harm. The violence at a Midtown doctor's office is a nightmare come true for Dr. Eddie Richardson, who has seen patients turn verbally abusive in a hospital emergency room.
I even felt at one time that I needed to put a peace officer in my waiting room just to make sure that, they know we had a show of force.
The Safer Hospitals Act will allow Georgia hospitals to form their own police departments once the new law takes effect on July 1st. Anyone convicted of assaulting a healthcare worker will face anywhere from 3 to 20 years in prison. The CEO of the Georgia Nurses Association says assaults on healthcare workers are far too common.
Every hour, 2 nurses are assaulted, as well as nurses are 5 times more likely to be assaulted than your average worker.
The law will allow a certified police officer to carry a firearm on hospital property. It will give them arrest powers.
There'll be police on site that can not only get to locations quickly where there's a violent incident happening, but they can also handle the reporting.
We're there to provide health care. We're not necessarily there to restrain people. We're not there to fight with people.
They're there to help people. Jerry, the law will go into effect in just over a month. So how are hospitals making adjustments? Are they preparing?
They are indeed. In fact, Northside is among the hospitals that have posted job openings for police officers. Of course, Wednesday's tragedy took place at a Northside facility.
Jerry, thank you. You can find our in-depth coverage of the shooting, the ongoing investigation, and the victims on 11alive.com.